In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a preview link for Shopify store. If you're collaborating with a client, a teammate, or you just want feedback before going live, a preview link is the safest way to show your theme changes without publishing them. Let's walk through it clearly and make sure you know exactly what to click and what to expect. First, sign in to your Shopify admin and head to the online store section in the sidebar. This takes you straight to the themes area, where you can see your current live theme and any draft themes you're working on. If you're sharing work-in-progress changes, make sure you're looking at the draft you've been editing, not the live one. Next, select the theme you want to show. Open its options and choose Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can see your storefront preview on the right and your sections and settings on the left. Before you share anything, it's a good habit to save any changes you've made, so the preview link reflects your latest updates. Now look toward the top of the editor for the preview control. It may appear as a button or an eye icon. Click Preview. Shopify will open a new tab with a full storefront preview using that specific theme. This is exactly what your reviewer will see. The address bar will include a special preview parameter that loads the draft version, even though it's not published. From here, you can share this page just like any regular link. Send it to your reviewer so they can browse your homepage, product pages, and navigation as if the theme were live. If your store is password protected, let them know they may see the password page first. Once they enter the store, the preview link will route them to the draft theme automatically. If you make additional edits, save them and ask your reviewer to refresh their browser to see the updates. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Double-check that the correct theme name appears at the top of the editor before you click Preview, so you don't accidentally share the live theme. Test the link yourself in a private browser window to confirm it loads as expected. And if you're designing for mobile shoppers, toggle through different device sizes in the editor before previewing, so your reviewer sees a polished version on phones and tablets. That's it. You opened your Shopify admin, went to Online Store, selected the theme, used Edit Theme, and then clicked Preview to generate a shareable view of your draft. Share the link, gather